Today we got the Yamaha TTR 125. Got the stock pipe in there. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like without the cap and then with the new cap that we got. So it sounds like now. And we gotta take off this cap. And a little silencer in there. A lot of people would just take this off and leave it like this, but look how ugly that is, bro. I'm not finna leave it like that, bro. That's ugly as hell. Got something for you. New cap. Thread lock, you don't need this, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on there because I don't want nothing shaking loose and stuff on the trails. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, just a little dab. So I gotta cut this, yeah, I gotta cut this. Oh, that's great.
Fuck, dude. Do not need to see none of them motherfuckers.